find the equation of the tangent line to f of x equals to phi times e to the negative 0.2x at x equals to 10. The first step is we have a curve, right? So we have a curve when x is equals to 10. There is a point on the curve. The first step is you have to tell me what the coordinate is, the xy coordinate is at this point. So what we have to do is we plug in 10 to the function. So we have f of 10 that is equals to phi times e to the negative 0.2 times 10. So this is a phi times e to the negative 2, right? So that is phi over e squared. So the point is when x is equals to 10, we have phi divided by e squared. And then what is the question asking? The question is asking this. So let's say just for example, right? I'm not saying the graph is that is what the graph is. So first of all, we have a curve, all right? We have a curve. I should make the curve looks like that. So we have a curve like that. And then when x is equals to 10, we have a point on the curve. And then the question is asking, hey, can you tell me what the slope is at this point? And also there is a tangent line. The tangent line looks like this. Can you tell me the equation of this tangent line? So this is tangent line, and then this is f of x, and then this is when x is equals to 10. Can you tell me the equation of the tangent line? Also tell me the slope of the curve at that point. So the first step, we found the point, and then the second step, to estimate the slope, we have to find the first derivative. So for the first derivative, then this is f prime of x. That is phi times e to the some power, right? So that one, when you take the derivative, that is phi e to the negative 0.2x. So we have this inside the exponential function. We have to use the chain rule to take the derivative of that. So we also need to take the derivative of 0.2x. Then we have f prime of x equals to phi e to the 0.2x, and then we multiply negative 0.2. So this is one function to describe the slope of the curve at any x value. Phi times that is negative 1 e to the negative 0.2x. So this is the slope of the function at any x value. So give me one function to describe the slope at any point, because every single point has a different slope, right? Use one function to describe all the slope. That is negative 1 times e to the negative 0.2x, which is the f prime of x. And then you want to find the slope at a specific point. They ask you for 10, then you have to plug in x equals to 10 to f prime. All right, so let's do the plug-in. So f prime of 10, that is equals to negative 1 e to the negative 0.2 times 10. So you have negative 1 times e to the negative 2, right? And then this is negative 1 divided by e squared. This is the slope of the function at this point, at x equals to 10. At x equals to 10, or 10 comma phi e squared, or at that point. So at that point, we know what the slope is. At this point, at the green dot, we know what the slope is. The slope is negative, so therefore the tangent line is decreasing. And then how do you build a tangent line? To build a tangent line, you need the point slope form of a straight line. So point slope form, the point slope form is y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1. And then you have y minus the y coordinate equals to slope, which is negative 1 divided by e squared, and then x minus 10. And then you have y equals to negative 1 e to the x squared times x plus 10 divided by e squared, and then plus 5 divided by e squared. So overall, you have y equals to negative 1 over e squared, right? I wrote e to the x. So this is supposed to be e squared x, and then plus, so that will be a 10 plus 5, 15 over e squared. And then the slope is negative 1 over e squared, which is negative, and then the y-intercept is this is the y coordinate of the y-intercept. So when x is equals to 0, y equals to that value, that is the y-intercept. And then this is the equation of the tangent line. So this is equation, I should put it in two lines, so equation of the tangent line to the given function at x equals to 10 or 10 comma phi over e squared. Okay, and then this is called slope-intercept form. The y minus y1 is called point slope form. All right, so that is the end of this video. If you like it, you learn it, you know exactly what to do on your homework, give me a like, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel if you are on your way out. I truly appreciate your support to the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Signing out.